Sanibonani emakhaya ngamakhaya lapho nilalele khona. Leli phimbo elinibingelelayo ukhanyisile intombi yaManyanda. Ngibonga kakhulu ngokungena ekhasini lami le-YouTube. Ngicela bandla ningi-support ngokuthi like nikhomente emese na-subscribe kulo lona leli khasi ukuze lakwazi ukukhula lithole lihamba phambili njalo nsuku zonke ningaphuthelwa. Kunomfanekiso oqoshiwe lana lapho uNgcweti ekhuluma amaphuzu ahlakahlosile athinte inkohlakalo i-corruption. Uthi-ke laphayana uma sisacabanga ukuthi ivoti lethu liyisikhali sokunqoba inkohlakalo or noma liyisikhali sokulwa zonke lezi zimpi zenkohlakalo ezenzekalayo eSouth Africa, siyadlala, silele, siyaphupha. Uthi uNgcweti ukhuluma nange-system ecushwayo, ekhontrolwayo ukuba yenze abakufunayo ngamavoti. Kuningi akuchazayo, angabe sengideqa amagula, angimdedela azikhulumele yena. Nansi ividiyo yalandela, ithokozele.
They control the results. They control the judiciary. They control parliament. They control cabinet. They control the results. They control the judiciary. They control parliament. They control cabinet. It would be a sin to allow a sinful, evil state to destroy generations while you tolerate it, while you watch. The sin would not be turning against that system. The sin is watching it and tolerating it. When our people are condemned for the next 400 years,